world economy is going to be transformed intentionally. And this is, of course, a planned obsolescence of our current reality. Those are my words. But here's a quote from Christina Figueres. Quote, "This is probably the most difficult task we have ever given ourselves, which is to intentionally transform the economic development model for the first time in human history." Ms. Figueres stated at a press conference in Brussels. And this was very recently, by the way. This was in February of 2015. Quote, "This is the first time in the history of mankind that we are setting ourselves the task of intentionally, within a defined period of time, to change the economic development model that has been reigning for at least 150 years since the Industrial Revolution. This will not happen overnight, and it will not happen in a single conference on climate change. It will take time, and it's not a process that will occur quickly because of the depth of the transformation. Again, this is planned obsolescence of everything that we have been familiar with in the past. Climate change conferences and policies, we all know, has nothing to do with global warming or climate change. That is just the label put on it, again, to trick all of us into believing that if we use less, we can reduce our carbon footprint. Now, Joyce, recently here, the utility companies have been passing out flyers that are paid for by ratepayers, saying that people can have a free in-home energy audit so that they can reduce their greenhouse gas emissions.